Welcome back to another quick tutorial about Telegram tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to permanently delete a contact and chat history in Telegram without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the Telegram app. After you open up the Telegram app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and look for the particular contact and chat that you want to permanently delete. Like for instance, this particular contact right here. I'm going to delete it permanently and delete all my chats with them right here. These are all my chats right here. So I'm going to delete everything. So for that, what you need to do is to simply click and hold down on the contact. So I'm going to go ahead now, click and hold down. Once you click and hold down, then once you click and hold down, next thing you want to do is to click on this trash icon. And this is going to pump up right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you check this box right here. Just like so. Permanently delete the chat with shade, also delete for this particular contact, and then come down below right here, click on delete chat. And everything will be deleted, including the chat and the contact as the case may be. You can see the contact is no longer found right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Telegram, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.